Sometimes I'm like a salesman. Sir, how is it? थोड़ा बहुत 1 million मिला है sir, आ जाओ sir. Ma'am, please come ma'am. दे please यार. Ooh, what an analogy. पहले मैं उड़ता था, अब मैं चिपक गया हूँ. That didn't sound good. I think the earlier analogy was good. इसको काट देना.
We're gonna keep this as a blooper, you know? Yeah.
Yeah. No. This will be the leading segment. This is your sizzler, trailer, teaser, poster. Oh no! Don't do this journalist behavior with me, taking things out of context and just putting 2 words. मेरे को तो story चाहिए, तो I'm gonna put these two. Abhish hates bindi. No, Abhish hates the bindi he cooks. Soumya, come on, you're one of the good ones. Keep your reasons to yourself. Side effects.
You can tell me the reason. That's okay.
Oh, so that you can edit it out, Soumya? Oh, put it in bloopers. I get how you do it.
So today we have with us one of the funniest man in the country, someone whose videos I personally enjoy a lot and who has been providing us wholesome chuckles all throughout the lockdown with his videos. Welcome to Abhish Mathew. Hi Abhish.
Oh, hi. I thought you were talking about Kanan Gill, and I was like, Kanan is coming? Oh,
No, we're talking
that's
about
awesome.
you. You're also very funny. Don't underestimate yourself.
Thank you. This is no more an interview now. This is a therapy session. So thank you.
All right. So tell us, you're up with the season 7 of Son of Abhish. So tell us, you're coming up with this homemade avatar. You know, everything right from the production to editing is being done at home. How is the whole experience been?
So the experience has been really good because I am no more the guy who rents this apartment, but I'm also the studio engineer and I'm also the studio floor cleaner, also the set designer. It's very tiring.
And you also have some exciting guests. You know, you have Shruti Hassan, you have Kalki Kekla, and
Yes. You know the amazing thing, Soumya, is that she told me her name is Kalki Kekla, and I kept calling her Kalki throughout the episode. So when I saw the episode out, I was like, oh, I am so dumb.
I also love that explanation. She was like chocolate Kekla, and you were like, why chocolate?
Why chocolate? All the things are chocolate, but yeah.
So you also have
exciting
very
guests.
nice- Yeah.
Exciting guest wise, I'll tell you that we got Shruti Hassan, we had Raftar who had come. We've got like this incredible. We are getting Irfan Junejo coming up. Irfan Junejo is a really big YouTuber in Pakistan. He's coming with Ritwiz, and the conversation is so good and it's being edited. We're trying to reach out to as many people who watch the show or know about the show or don't even know about the show. Sometimes I'm like a salesman. Sir, how is it? थोड़ा बहुत 1 million मिला है sir, आ जाओ sir. Ma'am, please come ma'am. दे please यार. So it's working out so far.
So Abhish, I have 2 fun segments for you. So the first one is the work from home situation is, kind of tricky. It's a boon for some, it's a curse for some. And so I'm gonna give you a few situations, that might be lockdown related or not. And then you have to give a funny spin to it, or, you have to tell us what would you have done in that situation, all right? Cool?
Okay, I'm very excited. Okay, I've never played a game like this before. I usually am the one hosting the game. So
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
a good role reversal, I must say. All right, go for it.
Cool. So this first situation is, what would you choose when someone gives you an option of being the funniest person in the room or being the most intelligent? You're perhaps the most funniest in most of the rooms, I believe. But what would you choose if there was an option?
Any day, the most funniest person in the room. Any day. I don't care about intelligence because intelligence is acquired and you have a lifetime. What I realized is when a room is full of stress, people dislike, the funniest person comes and diffuses it. And that is my father. My father did that with our entire joint family. And for me, comedy wasn't about question and setup and punchline. It was about stressful situation, deflate it. So any day, funny, I would think.
Funniest person. Okay. So you're exhausted of the corona and you can either stay safe and indoors all your life or go out and have a 50% chance of getting corona.
Currently, I'm on one, which is I am not taking any chances. I am not meeting any friends. Or I just know my friend's upper torso. I don't think they have a lower torso anymore. It's when a friend of mine had asked, hey, let's like cook dinner because I've started cooking also. And he was like, yeah, man, even I started cooking. I was like, who are you meeting? He said, I'm meeting 2 more people. Then I said, can you ask who they are meeting? He was like,
Okay, let's drop the
Okay.
planet.
Yeah, I know. So I have gone full spider. I need to go back to being a bird. Ooh, what
Bird.
an analogy. पहले
Yeah.
मैं उड़ता था, अब मैं चिपक गया हूँ. That didn't sound good. I think the earlier analogy was good. इसको काट देना.
Now you're interviewing a celebrity on your show, and your wife yells, "ये खाना क्यों नहीं बनाया अभी तक?" What would you do in that situation? You have to give a funny spin.
Oh, that'll be incredible. I think खाना नहीं बनाया. I would, in that case, take the camera, go to the kitchen, continue doing the show while I'm doing खाना. Every time they're abusing, मैं hot oil में mustard seeds डाल दूंगा. कुछ नेक्स्ट बार कोई गाली देंगे तो जीरा डाल दूंगा. अगर बहुत लंबी गाली दे रहे तो सीधा सीधा प्याज जो फाइन कट है डाल दूंगा and I'll keep stirring it. So I think I have my own muting system. Yeah.
And which one is your favorite food and the least favorite food, if I may ask?
So I don't know. Very weirdly, cabbage thoran is where I'm at right now.
Okay,
That's
and
where
the
I'm
least
at right
favorite food? Least favorite food?
I don't think I like. Okay, controversial opinion coming up. I don't like the bindi I cook.
Okay, so let's just keep it bindi. And now the question comes in.
Oh no! Don't do this journalist behavior with me, taking things out of context and just putting two words. मेरे को तो story चाहिए, तो I'm gonna put these two. Abish hates bindi. No, Abish hates the bindi he cooks. Soumya,
No.
come on, you're one of the good ones.
This is a question. Listen the question. Okay, so you have the option to eat only the bhindi that you cook for the rest of your life and get 1 million views on almost a million and more than that views on all of your videos, or the option of eating that cabbage dish for the rest of your life and getting somewhere 500 or 1,000 likes on each of your videos.
I will tell you the reason though. Will I be allowed to tell the reason or do I have to just choose?
No. You can tell us the reason.
I will
You
take
don't have to be
cabbage
very
thoran.
diplomatic, okay? You don't have to. I'm
Yeah.
expecting you to be diplomatic now, okay? Yeah.
Okay. So I will take cabbage thoran and 100 views because I feel life is way more than your success of what you are setting out to do. I personally feel that.
Also, when you're doing these interviews and someone enters your background, your family members are hovering in the background, what would you do then?
Let them hover.
Any
See, the
funny
beauty of
thing?
doing
Yeah.
the beauty of doing things from home is the word home.
Now comes the second part of it. Complete the sentence. Okay, the first one is, one thing that I learned during the lockdown is,
Washing clothes with your hands is a good workout.
if I had a superpower, it would be,
If I had another superpower, currently it would be telekinesis.
oh,
Which is that I wish I could move things with my mind so that I'll be right now vacuum कर रहा होता, वहाँ पर पोछा चल रहा होता, वहाँ पर washing machine चल रहा होता, while I'll be talking to you, यहाँ पर कुछ और set कर रहा होता, telekinesis. I could have said clone myself, but I don't like myself that much कि मैं अपने आप को हर दिन देखूं इसलिए.
okay, the next one is, if I could develop a vaccine for corona, I'd name it,
Ooh. Genuine answer. Ready?
yes, okay.
I would call it the HA, which is I'll call it the HA vaccine, which
why
is
that? Yeah.
hedonic adaptation. It's a philosophical term, which means that, I mean, again, I'm paraphrasing here, is that if you go through a crisis and after the crisis is over, if you come back the same way you were before you entered the crisis,
Oh.
it's not good. That means you haven't evolved as a person. Whatever damage you were doing to yourself and the world during the crisis, you did it less because you were less energetic. But when you come back more aggressively, you're on the wrong path. The objective is that every time there is a crisis in the world, a personal crisis, you need to cocoon yourself so that a butterfly comes out. So HA vaccine to remind you that do not adapt to the old ways. I hope the climate changes.
Any funny name if you had to give it to? I mean, this one is a
Obviously, Soumya, you're right. This is I forgot. This is Soumya's like, "Kya? Hello? Didn't I tell? I told Abish to be funny. Why is he being serious? Why? इस लॉकडाउन में ना सबकी बुद्धि में okay. Funny name would be side effects included vaccine. Because if you're being, never mind, side effects included. Don't tell reason, Abish. Keep your reasons to yourself.
Okay, let's move on to the next one. So 2020 is the best year because
2020 is the best year because it helps you in introspect at a tough time,
Okay.
which you wouldn't have done if 2020 was the same as 2019.
And also get us a lot of more skills, help Abhish cook, make that bhindi and all that, huh? You never cook, right? Yeah.
Let me repeat the answer according to the way Soumya wants it. Best thing about 2020 is that I know how to cook food. And by that I mean I know that you need to put lesser haldi than salt in all your dish. So
And swat
that's
and
what
stuff.
2020 has taught us.
All of those teachings as well. Okay. If someone makes a biopic on your life, the actor who would play Abhish Matthew would be?
Am I alive or dead in this situation?
You're alive to see it, perhaps. Yeah.
I would like to play it. Oh, but a younger version of me. Ooh,
Yeah.
interesting. I wouldn't want an actor to play me. I want all my friends who will be celebrities to be played by other celebrities. But I think my role should be played by a very close friend of mine who can parody me really well instead of a well-known actor. I don't want a well-known
Right.
actor. I want someone who I know can do me the way I would want to do me. That sounded
Right.
wrong, but I meant you got it.
I got it. Okay. The one guest that you're looking forward to have on your show is?
Oh, one guest.
Yeah.
I would love to. Not one. Can I give you like a category of guests, or you want one
Yeah,
guest?
that's-
Like one guest, yaar hai.
You can suit yourself.
If on my show, if I can get the leaders of Pakistan and the leaders of India at whatever time it is to literally have a fun chat talking to each other, that would be incredible.
That is the need of
You
the
have just given me a new goal in my life.
hour. I would love to see this, someday, because this is the need of the hour, seriously,
Yeah. Oh God, that's what my mission is now. Wow. No more success, no more virality. It is to bring peace amongst countries. Nice.
In a fun way, yes. I had a great time with you, Avish, and all these
thank you.
are very fun and diplomatic too, some of them. And we're looking forward to more of these videos with you, and all of the seasons of Son of Abish, the ones that are going to come in the future. Have a great time, and thank you for speaking to us.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me. And this was an incredible interview. So good job done. And good job done, Abhish, you also.
Yeah, bye.